Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jacqueline and this is Low Carblish, the channel where we make low carb versions of our favorite high carb foods and try to control our blood sugars and reverse type 2 diabetes. If you're new here to the channel, welcome. This video is going to be a little bit different today. I'm not going to be cooking in this video, but I did want to say thank you to a few people. I've got some notes here because I don't want to forget anything, you guys. But I wanted to, first of all, I want to thank every single one of you that has emailed me or left me messages or sent me email pictures and things. It really means a lot to me when you guys communicate like that and leave comments below to let me know how you're doing. And I just wanted to say thank you to a couple of people today that have sent me a couple of gifts. And the first person that I want to talk about is a viewer named Tracy. And Tracy gave me permission to use her name and give you her praise report. But before I do that, I just want to show you, Tracy makes cards. And she noticed that I love flamingos and I have flamingos all over my kitchen. So she sent me this card and it's just the cutest thing. It's pink and it's got a little flamingo on it. And it says, real beauty comes in all shapes and sizes. And I just love it. She wrote a sweet little note in there to me and I just love this card. She also does photography and she sent me 2 other cards at different times. She's been very supportive and kind to me on my journey and the journey here with YouTube as well as low carb eating. And she takes these pictures. This is her actual photography. And I'm going to take some still pictures of the things I show you today and include them in the video just so you can see it close up. But this is a beautiful, beautiful corally pink rose. And I love roses. I'm an artist and I paint a lot of roses. So she hit the mark with me on this one. And again, she put a cute little note in here and a picture of her and her hubbies in there for me. And then she took this picture and this card says, "So grateful for you." And it's a beautiful picture of trees in the lake not too far from where she lives from what I understand. And so they're just gorgeous, they're beautiful, and I complimented her on them and was asking her about them. And she actually has a website that's called, let me look and make sure I'm telling you the right thing, heavenlyphotographystore.com. And I'll put a link here in the video and I'll put a link down below in the description in case you guys want to go and look at her cards. She does sell them and she didn't ask me to do this. I just really would like for you guys to go and look at her photography. It's amazing. Hi Macy. So Macy's going to join us. I hope she's going to be quiet. She's been very talkative today. So I gave her a bone and put it in her bed and I guess she's through with it because she's back in here already. The other person that I really want to thank today is a friend of mine that I became friends with her on Facebook because she is another artist and I absolutely love her work. And I bought several pieces. Hi! I bought several pieces from her. This one's called Sandpiper Dreams and it's got 2 little sandpiper birds down here. And I don't know if you can see them on the video, but I'm going to put close-up pictures of this in the video as well so you guys can see it. And then I bought this little tray from her that I absolutely love, and it's called Stars in Her Eyes. And pink is one of my favorite colors, and so I had to have this because I need a place in my, on my vanity where I do my makeup and my jewelry to put my jewelry when I take it off before I put it in my jewelry box. So I just fell in love with that, and I bought that. And that particular piece was for an auction that they did. Dana participates in a lot of charity auctions and things to help her community, and so I purchased that. Then she sent me this necklace, which I absolutely adore, and it's on this really nice steel chain, and it's hand painted. This necklace is hand painted by her, and it came in a box, and she hand painted the same picture that's on my necklace on the gift box that it came in. So I just wanted to thank her for that. Dana, thank you so much. And Miss Tracy, thank you so much. I'm so touched by your gifts. I love it and I appreciate it so much. And so I just want to say thank you again. Miss Tracy also has a praise report that she's given me permission to talk about. And Tracy, let me see. I've got all my stuff written down in 2 different places. Tracy has gone using nothing but low carb eating from an A1C of 10.8 down to 6.7 in just 3 months. So I just want to say, Tracy, way to go. Good job, girlfriend. I wish I would have come down that quickly, but it took me a little over 6 months just to get down into a normal range. So I'm just extremely proud of you, and I'm so happy for you. And so everybody just please join me in congratulating Tracy. And I wanted to let you guys know that if there's any of you in the group that want to share your praise report with me and have me mention it on the channel, just drop me an email at lowcarblish@hotmail.com, and I've got the link down under every video if you guys ever want to email me, whether it's praise report or not. If you want to email me, feel free to do that. But if you do want to give a praise report and have me read it on the channel, I'll be more than happy to do that. It encourages me, and I know it encourages other people that are on the same journey with us. So you guys feel free to do that, because I would love to share your stories. And the next thing I want to do is ask you guys a couple of questions. Well, actually it's several questions. But I've been wondering about some things, and I wanted to get y'all's opinion. And if you would, just leave a comment below, or like I said, if you want to email me with questions or answers, you can do that too. But one thing that I'm wondering about is, do y'all want to have a list of foods that have the calorie count, the fiber, and the net carbs on it? I'm trying to learn right now how to create a sheet that you could download off the internet. And so if y'all are interested in that, if it's something that you feel like would help you guys, if you'll just let me know, I will seriously work on that, and I'll include as many foods as I can think of. And it may be an ongoing list where, you know, I keep adding pages as we go, but I'll include everything that I can think of right now with calorie count, the carb count, the fiber count, and the net carbs, if that's something that you guys think you would find helpful. And the other thing that I was wondering about is if anybody would be interested in like meal plan pages where, and maybe I could even figure something out where you can mix and match main courses with side dishes and whatever. But I was thinking about doing that because I have got a lot of my stuff written down, and I catch myself doing that sometimes, like saying, okay, well tonight, for instance, if I want to have like roasted turnips, and I know they're a little bit higher in carbs than, you know, salad or whatever, I will catch myself going through what I have for main courses and picking a lower carb main course to go with a higher carb side dish. So if you guys would like something like that, if you think that would be helpful, I could also do something like that once I learn how to do the pages where you can just download them off the internet. So let me know what y'all think about that. The other thing that I wanted to ask you guys is there anything that you would like to have covered that you feel would help you that I don't cover or talk about in the other videos? Because I know a lot of times when I'm cooking, you know, we're trying to have fun in the kitchen, and, you know, I'm being silly, making jokes and stuff, but if there's something that y'all feel like you would like to see covered that would help you, if you'll comment or email me and let me know, I will do my very best to do that for you. I will say again, I'm not a doctor or a nutritionist. I'm just somebody that figured it out for me. And so I can't give you like medical advice and stuff like that, but I can definitely give you my opinion about different foods and things like that. So if there's something that you would like to see covered and you want me to do that, just let me know. The other thing is, if y'all hear some crunchy noises going on, it's because Macy brought her bone in from her bed and she's under the table now enjoying her bone. So I apologize if that's getting on your nerves. The other thing I wanted to know is, would you guys like to have a monthly question and answer session? You can ask me anything. I can't promise that I'm going to answer everything. Depends on what it is. But if you you know, would be interested in that, let me know that too, because I think it might be kind of fun to do a Q&A once a month and just, you know, share things with you guys, and maybe, you know, something you didn't know that you want to know about me. And I would like, you know, maybe ask you guys questions and have y'all comment, you know, your answers, or email your answers to me. I think it'd be fun. And, you know, I'm always looking for a way to connect with you guys in a stronger, more meaningful way, and I think that might be a fun way to do it. That's, you know, my opinion. The other thing I wanted to know, is there something in particular that you guys might like to see in future giveaways? I've done a couple of giveaways so far, and I always have fun doing that. It's fun for me to pick the winners, and it's fun for me when they email and they're like, oh my gosh, I can't believe I won. So if there's something, you know, that you guys would like to see as a giveaway, let me know, and I may be able to do it. I just think it would be, you know, fun to hear what you guys would like to see. And then one thing I wanted to know is if you guys would be interested in seeing like a bloopers video. I know this is a cooking channel, but trust me when I tell you guys, we have a lot of bloopers that get edited out as we're going along, because I try to be respectful of your time, and I try to remember that everybody's busy, and so I try not to leave stuff like that in at the end. I know a lot of content creators, you know, they'll put it at the end of the video, and I think they're funny and cute at the end of the video, but because I'm cooking, I'm trying to be, you know, respectful of your time, you know, so that you're not just watching something that you're like, hurry up and get through, lady, I need to go cook. So if you'd be interested in seeing a separate bloopers video, let me know that too. And then the last question that I wanted to ask you guys, I've had so many of you guys comment, you know, that you love seeing Macy in the videos, and she's so cute, which I totally agree, but I might be a little bit prejudiced. If you guys would like to see more of her, I would love to know that. And I'm also thinking about starting a channel just for her own channel. And I've got a couple of names running around in my head, but if you guys have any suggestions for names or whatever, I'm open to listening to that too before I get started on that little venture. So that's it for tonight on this video. I'm getting ready to get in the kitchen when I finish up here, and I'm going to film a video on diabetic friendly cranberry sauce, and so I'm hoping to get both of these videos edited and up tonight, and I think that'll do it for the night. I just want to wish all of you guys a very, very, very Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays, and I hope that we all go into the new year with a happy attitude and an attitude of gratitude, and I am certainly grateful for all of you. So thank you again for everything. If you would, hit that like button for me. It helps people find my channel that have just been diagnosed. I would love it if you would subscribe and hit that little notification bell, and you'll never miss another recipe or another video. And for now, thank you so much again, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye-bye.